YouTube, what the fuck is the deal? YouTube, what's the deal, man? What's the deal, y'all? What's good with y'all boys, ladies and gentlemen? What's good with y'all, man? Peekaboo. Anyways, though, man. YouTube, what's the word, man? It's your boy, High Yourself. I'm back with another video. It is 6:30 right now. Um, and today we're gonna be trading our Express funded account. We're gonna be looking for high probability supply demand. It is NFP week today, so gotta be careful. Gotta keep that in mind. I gotta check and see when NFP drops. I think it's 7:30. So gotta keep that in mind. We're gonna see what NFP does, how it moves the market, and if a setup presents itself after that, high probability, we will execute. And we just looking to get a win today, bro. You feel me? But other than that, though, man, how y'all been? How y'all been taking care of y'allself, bro? How y'all been doing, bro? Like, I really want to know if y'all been taking care of y'allself. If y'all been striving to become y'all best self while you here on earth, man. Cause that's all we can do right now. Sun coming out a little for like that shit make me happy. I ain't gonna cap to you. I ain't gonna cap to you. Should be making me happy. But it needs to like get through my window some more. But I ain't gonna lie though, I'm feeling good, feeling handsome. I don't know. I'm just feeling real good. I kinda looked at the charts already. We ain't really had too much of nothing going on. You already know how shit be like right before NFP hit. But you feel me though? So honestly, we just finna low key look at the charts. We fuck around and do a little smaller top down. But I'm trying to make this video not as long today. See if I can make it like in like a 15-minute range or something. I don't know, man. I'm trying to make my content better. I'm trying to just not even trying. I'm making my content better. I'm in the process of making my content better. And it do come with a lot of things though, because there's a lot of things that I do want to do on this channel. It's a lot of things that I am going to do on this channel, but I need to make sure everything like aligns up the right way. Like I need to make sure everything is had needs to be, and not rushed and just put together. So, oh yeah, let me say this too before we even get to the charts. Let me actually send out some love and like some gratitude. Like I really appreciate all the support that I'm getting on this channel. I know it's not much, but it's a little. Not even a little. It's like the little bit of support that I am getting so far is actually very. I'm very appreciative of it. It's definitely motivating and inspiring to keep going. So I just want to say thanks and send some love to all the supporters and subscribers that I've gained over the last couple of days and views though. So yeah, I've been fucking with my content a little. So I definitely am thankful for that. And yeah, I just really just want to send out some thanks for that. Like I definitely appreciate it. Definitely grateful for the little bit of subscribers that I do have. Shit, y'all seeing the beginning of this shit, bro. I really do love that y'all take time out of y'all day to just to watch my videos and stuff. It means a lot. So with that being said, we can get to the charts now. Okay, y'all. I was looking to get into this setup right here, into this support setup. It had just looked real clean to me. But I wasn't able to connect my broker, well, my TraderVate account. Look, I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what it's saying. Too many requests and shit. It was just a lot of fluky shit going on. So I'm gonna just be patient. It is kinda irritating that I wasn't able to get into this setup because I don't know. I just would have been able to. I feel like I would have been able to get a nice little win early in the day. We would have got in at 6:45. It would have almost been potentially a winner. So I feel like it's finna hit this TP right here. But yeah, it's kinda irritating, but we ain't gonna let it stop us today. We ain't gonna have FOMO. We not gonna, just do anything bad to sabotage our account. So we just gonna wait for the next setup if one even present itself. But yeah, this is kinda irritating a little. But it happens though, so I'm not really tripping. This is the first time something like this has happened to me, so it's okay. But yeah, though I was definitely looking to get into this support setup. It just look clean, gang. I can show y'all why too. Actually, you can go to the 1 hour. Bro, as you see on the 1 hour, we had some support right here. Got some support right here, and then let's go to the 4 hour as well. Y'all see how the 4 hour looks. So I was just following market structure, bro. That's all I was doing. I was just following market structure, and you see it ended up winning. So look, so you see this support setup would have ended up winning. So yeah, man, it's kind of irritating that I wasn't able to get into this. My day could have been over with now. So now I gotta wait, and gotta see if anything else presents itself. And then we got NFP too, so it's really why I was trying to get into this before NFP hit or anything like that. But I'll get to y'all if we get into another setup though. So this how that trade is going so far right now. I got it set to a 3-to-1 because y'all know how I trade. I go if I trade with three positions, I do one position 1-on-1, two positions go for a 3-to-1. If I'm trading with two positions, one position go for a 1-on-1, the other position goes for a 3-to-1. So that's mainly how I trade all the time because I did the back testing on it, and the way I trade, the trades usually always, not always, but mostly they hit for a 3-to-1. But you know, I did back testing on that, so that's why I'm confident to trade like that. So it helps me be content with profits at the 1-to-1, and then it helps like some of the greed that I have in me sometimes, or the need to want more. So if that makes sense. So yeah, man. So yeah, we just finna see if this trade end up hitting the 3-to-1. It already hit the 1-to-1, so the day would have been over if we would have hopped into this. But let's just see what else happens. Because we got not CPI, we got NFP in a minute, literally in 54 seconds. Oh man, we got some nice tea. Gonna throw some honey and some syrup in this shit. Some 100% maple. This not the one I like to get though, but it's okay. Damn! Look what. Damn! That's why I recorded this so y'all can see what this should be doing in real time. Damn! Shorty. Goodness gracious. What the fuck? That bitch just tanked all the way down. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now it's rejecting. NFP be a motherfucker. Hold on, bro. That just like took my attention away. Hold on, bro. Because I want to get to a point where I can like get into these trades. Well, not get into these type of trades, but I want to be to a point where I didn't got into these trades earlier throughout the week. I didn't got into a trade earlier throughout the week, like how Q Banks traded and made his $500,000. I want to get into trades like this that going my way though. I gotta see what happened. That motherfucker just went. Hold on. This motherfucker just went. How many tickets this? That bitch just went 192 ticks in the spur of a moment. That's wild. Damn, that's wild as hell. Look at let's I wanna look at the one. Okay, look, so we can take all this off, right? Let's take all that off right now. I wanna look at the 4 hour. Even let's take this off too. I wanna look at hmm. So if we wanted to get into this the right way and it start going in our way, what's today? We would have had to got into this move like Tuesday, right? On some Tuesday shit. Say if we got into it like right there, this move would be. I don't know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like I definitely want to start. I definitely want to start swing trading sometime in my career. I know it's not right now, but you know, I don't want to stay stagnant, and I want to like keep learning different things about trading. So, or I definitely want to be able to trade all type of ways, if that makes sense. I don't want to be just like one tracked in the markets, or I don't want to be limited in the markets. You know, I want to be able to make money trading, swing trading, scalping, and intraday. So I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into that. Teach myself how to trade in those type of forms a little later on in my career. For right now, I'm gonna just stick to what's been working, which is scalping, supply and demand, support and resistance setups, and liquidity grabs. You know, I don't trade Fibonacci. I don't trade trend lines. I just trade supply and demand and really like support and resistance. Um, that's what kept shit easy for me. That's what kept shit as simple as it needed to be starting out. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I do want to look forward to like swing trading a little later on in my career, man. I gotta get more results before I even start doing anything like that. And you know, they say if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm definitely not gonna be doing nothing too crazy. But you know, imagine if we was swing trading and we got into this trade on a Tuesday, right? Let me just show y'all what I'm talking about real quick, if y'all understand, so y'all can understand what I'm saying. So it's Thursday right here, right? So Tuesday would have been in this area. So look, I don't I don't know if I posted the video. I know I did in my last video. Damn, this would have been the day. So look, in my last video, say we would have gotten to this trade. Hold on, my fault. Say, because I could have got into a liquidity grab. I guess it was like a slight liquidity grab, but it's really like a support and resistance setup, right? Say we would have got into this on Tuesday, right? So this would have been this move if I was a swing trader. You see what I'm saying? That's about 530 pips. Let's just go to 500 pips, right? So boom. And then let me reset the chart. So how many pips would I risk though? Would I risk that many? No, I would have risked 41 ticks, and then I could have made 500 ticks, if you see what I'm saying. So that's intriguing to me, like, cause that means we would have gotten to a winning setup. How I trade on Tuesday, NFP would have just did what it did, and then it would have went in profit some more. And honestly, look, y'all, on this 4 hour, let me take these sessions off. But on this 4 hour, we just bullshitting. We just bullshitting around, just just playing on the charts right now. Don't take this too seriously. We just eyeing what could have happened, or just doing things for future references, maybe. Just looking at things like that. But look, we got this 4 hour supply. So all I would have did, or if I was eyeballing the charts now again, after getting into the trade and letting it run and do its thing, run its course, if I would have came back to the charts today and still seeing, I probably would have, like, if I was still in that swing trade from Tuesday and then NFP just did what it did, all I would have did was just took that trade from Tuesday, which would have been me. So I would have took that trade from Tuesday, which would have been over in this area. Yeah, like right here, right? Yeah. So I would just took that trade from Tuesday all the way up to that supply, which would be right here. Damn, it's Friday today? Anyways, though, so I would have took it like right here. So I would have risked around 48 pips or 48 ticks to gain around 557 ticks. You see what I'm saying? But I don't swing trade though, so I don't even know if that's the right way. I don't even know if that's like the right um I don't even know if that's like the right stop loss I would have had. But the way that I scalp and shit like that, that would have been the right stop loss for that. So I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I'm not even educated on swing trading. So don't even take nothing that I'm saying serious for real. I'm just kind of bullshitting, and just trying to see like what I could have, like, if I was to start swing trading, would that be, how should it look for real? Because I'm a swing trade later on in my career, for real, for real. It's gonna be bigger profits. I'm gonna be a way more seasoned trader. Probably by year 3, I'll be swing trading. But I'm not rushing that though. I'm trying to get results. Not even trying. I'm getting results from scalping and just being in the markets every day. But that type of stuff does look good, bro, because we done all been there where you didn't got into a trade or you done been revenge trading once upon a time, and you trying to get a little bit money of the money that you lost back from losing trades and shit. You then they got into a little winning setup, and then you try to let your trade run throughout the morning or throughout when you sleep through other different sessions, and then come back. She was in way more profit, but then it actually came back and hit your stop loss or your break even, and it's like, damn, I should have took those profits that I just had. We've been there, so I ain't gonna cap though, y'all. I'm gonna start swing trading one day, cause I want to be in those type of moves too with the CPI, with I want to be in the moves with the CPI and what else? And NFP. Like, because why not? I feel like that's definitely a part of trading. And it's like, you can hit on that shit too. Of course, you can lose. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like if you do everything the right way and your technical analysis is in play, even if you got a fundamental analysis, I feel like everything or just, for the most part, you can get on the winning side of that shit a lot more. So if you confused on what I'm talking about, just go look up Q Banks. Or I'm gonna put it down in the description, but I want y'all to go look up Q Banks 500K video, or how I made $500,000 in one trade. Go watch that video, bro, so you can see what I'm talking about. Cause shit like that, it was something like that that had happened, and you know, he had made He was able to make like 500,000. Now, of course, his account size is way bigger, so he was able to bet them that big amount of money anyway to even be able to make that type of money. But damn, what a song. But yeah, and that Peter did his shit though. Tell you that much. Y'all hear the birdies? That Peter did his shit. All right, so I'm finna start looking for a setup now, man. We got hold on, no, we still got the NY Open too in a minute. So let me mark that off at 8:30. We just gonna see what happens after 8:30, and then we'll be looking for a setup for real, cause it's not clear what the market want to do right now. Nowhere near. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Nice TT. That's what that shit tastes great actually. Thank you, Yaki. Like a nice mixture of everything. Got some hot tea with some key lime, some honey, and some maple syrup. And this shit tastes a-okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all if a setup presents itself, and if it's something high probability, because there's gonna be a lot of fluff in the video, so we don't need that. Okay, y'all. So I kinda missed another trading opportunity. Well, I don't want to say missed. I low key got scared. I didn't want to pull the trigger. Got a lot riding on this, but let me just take this off real quick. I seen this support set up again. Um, I seen this support set up. My entry would have been around. My entry should have been around like right here in this area. Um, this was the New York Exchange stock. This was the NY Open right there. So I was kind of like I didn't really want to pull the trigger right there. I did I did like the setup though, because these wicks, this big ass wick from earlier. So I know we've been bullish. I was checking the higher time frames. Everything with that was lining up too. I just didn't pull the trigger, y'all. So uh but yeah, I just didn't pull the trigger, y'all. Kind of I guess the moment got too big. I know we trading our express funded account, and I'm just trying to get into the best setups possible. I don't want to have FOMO or whatnot. And then I literally could have caught this trade earlier. I could have been done around like earlier in the day, so I didn't want to like get into a setup where I could have possibly lost maybe. And then I don't know, y'all. Like I ended up just not pulling the trigger. So I mean, we do got a demand zone right here on the 15. Excuse me. So I got it scaled down to the 5, but we do got another demand zone right here. So maybe if it gets down to this demand box, I may just get in. I may hop into a trade and then whatever happens happens. But we do got like an hour and 10 minutes left in our trading session. So just trying to get into a nice setup, a nice winning setup. I missed two winning setups already. So hopefully if a third winning setup can present itself and give us an opportunity to make some money today. But if I got to sit on my hands today and not trade and just let all the winning setups pass me up and just come to the market Monday strong, that's what I'll do. I don't have no problem with that. But I did get kind of scared to pull the trigger right here on on this support setup. I don't know why. I do know why, but like first off, it's because I'm trading my Express funded account. I'm already down $400, so I'm only got $1,500 that I could like trade with for real, for real. And this is like a key pivotal spot in my life because this is the first time of me getting funded, and I'm not even trying. I'm on my route to getting my first payout. So I just want to make sure I do everything the right way, the correct way, not rushed, not I want everything to be methodical. And then I done got burnt by news a couple of times. The New York, the NY Stock Exchange open. So I'm just I sat on my hands on that support setup. The first support setup I really really liked. I could have. I just had a lot going on trying to connect my broker, but I should have just went to Tradeovate. I should have just went to the original platform and then traded it off that. But you know, uh, it comes with the territory. So. And then this is a 4 hour supply zone that we are at right now. So this could very much start tanking anytime, like anytime soon, for real, for real. We got 6 minutes left on this candle right here for this 1 hour. And then this how the four look. So 6 minutes left on the four too. So like yeah, y'all see we had a 4 hour supply right here. So I don't know if this 4 hour would hold or not. It doesn't. I don't know. I just don't know. So it got me kind of weary, It got me kind of like indecisive a little, I guess, When I could have gotten into some winning setups already. I let two pass me up already, so I'm definitely like still gonna be patient and play it so slow. So, cause I let a third pass me up too, bro. Cause I do not want to be. I don't want to. I don't want it to happen to the point where I let two winning setups pass me up and then the third setup that I get into I lose. I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna just make sure we do everything right this way too. So if it do get down to this demand zone before 10 o'clock, I may just take it. That's if the zone holds. That's if it gives me a break of the candle, and we just gonna live with the results. Um, and then we gonna continue and do everything else that we got to do for the day. So. It's punishment day, man. I gotta complete punishments on the workouts. Was kind of indisciplined or undisciplined. You feel me? The last couple of days, so I gotta punish myself. It's not really punishment. It's just me getting better. But I call them punishments though. You feel me? So I tend not to do any self sabotaging things. So that's why I call it like a punishment, a physical punishment. But yeah, that's a whole nother topic though. So we ain't even gotta get into that. Just let's just see if this is gonna hit this demand zone right here. Um, but yeah, though, man, we definitely could have gotten to a trade in this area right here. That support set up from earlier, and then we could have gotten to this support setup that happened about 30 minutes ago. Could have gotten to this. This would have been my entry right here, and it went for a decent amount too, bro. But I don't know why I didn't take it, man. I guess I was scared, bro. I guess I was scared to lose some money, and that's not the right mindset to have in this shit because you win some and you lose some. I feel like if this was like my live account, I would have took this no hesitation. I feel like I would have took this no hesitation, but um, this isn't my personal account. This is like a prop firm account. Simulated money, simulated trading. Now I can make a lot of money with this. I need to do things the right way though. So that's why I sat on my hands when that last support setup that presented itself because it's like damn, can this hit? Will this hit? Especially on the NY Open. But it comes with the territory. I'm not really tripping for real. I just really want to make sure I do everything the right way. I don't want to self sabotage myself. I don't want to just get into anything irrationally just because I feel like just because I feel like I lost a chance to get into a setup that won, especially two of them now. So that's two setups that I could have gotten to that actually did win. That went for a 1-1. So just want to be very smart and methodical, intentional on the trades that I'm getting in. I just don't want to, be irrational and get into any type of setup and then end up losing. Then it end up losing. And I'm sitting here looking stupid and then questioning myself on why I got into this setup, blah, blah, blah. I don't got no time for that type of shit today. We ain't got no time for no negative, intrusive thoughts to come in. So if this demand zone ends up getting a touch, I may just get in it and just live with the results. We are kind of high right now. We are at a 4-hour supply. So anything can happen for real, and yeah. If I would have took those opportunities a little later on, or the last two opportunities that presented itself, I would actually be done with my day, trading day, and I'll be editing my video right now, getting it up on YouTube. So now we still trading. We got like an hour and 2 minutes left in our trading session. So excuse me. So whatever happens in this next hour is just what happens, and we just gonna have to live with it. So we just gonna make sure we do no self sabotaging though. It ain't gonna be no self sabotaging in this next hour. If I gotta sit on my hands and not trade and then wait till Monday come around, I would do that. No problems, no ifs, ands, and buts. This shit is too serious. This is like my first chance to really get some real money from trading, like real money from prop firms. This is my first time ever like passing a prop firm challenge after done like a year of like really a lot of trial and error. A lot of trial and error. Granted, we was doing that shit on the Forex side of things, but it's been a lot of trial and error, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. A lot of trial and error. So see, it look like this 15 is rejecting now. We may have missed the opportunity, y'all. Cause I don't want to force anything, and I won't force anything. So So yeah, we'll see how this next opportunity. I mean, we'll see how this next hour will go. I do gotta say, I am proud of myself though, man. I'm proud of myself though. Like I've actually came. I don't want to say far, but I've come a long way from the beginning of this year. This is like the first year that I've put in like in a long time. This is the first year that I put in a lot of focus and intent on just self bettering my like just bettering myself. Taking my trading more serious. Although we did have like a nice span of like just not good trading and just being very undisciplined, being very inconsistent. And then again, we didn't had a lot of good phases too this year. Like just while I'm in the zone, I'm in that flow state. So I'm definitely proud of myself. I do got to tell myself that I'm proud of myself. I've come a long way this year. I just started trading in 2023. I started May 1st. That's when I took my first trade. So like I'm a year and a couple of months in, a year and like 2 months I think. So I am proud of myself. I am making progress. It's just I want more, bro. I want so much more from this. Like this shit can almost bring tears to my eye right now because I just really want more from this. So I think I need to like just relock in. Not even think I know I need to lock in some more. Like I haven't done anything, so I need to go back into hibernation mode. I need to lock in some more. I need to like fine tune my trading or something. I feel like it's way more. I feel like I'm leaving a lot on the table, as in when it comes to my skill set and trade. So if I just need to like lock in on the chart some more so I can perfect my craft. Now I know a little, but I only know a little of a lot. I'm trying to know in this space. I'm trying to know a lot more. And I don't know. It's all kind of ways to extract money out of the market. I know a couple of ways, but I don't know, y'all. Like I need more from this, bro. Like I feel like I'm just getting started, and I've been trading for a year. Like, and I feel like I'm just getting started, so I need more. I need results for real. Like I need more results that's like undeniable. I need that type of thing. I need those. Like I don't know if I'm trying to prove a point to somebody or if I'm trying to prove a point to myself. Maybe it's a little bit of both. Like I'm trying to prove a point to the people around me or the people that was around me, and then prove a point to myself, prove a point to strangers. Like I just really want so much more out of this, bro. And I'm trying not to cry and shit right now for some reason. This should be really having me emotional. Like not sad though. I'm not sad at all. Just I'm hungry. Like it's this fire that's inside of me. Like my will to like just want more to protect that. I don't know, gang. Like especially because I feel like I'm playing catch up to myself. Like because I've been had this work ethic. I've been had this this winner's mindset. Like man, especially like since I got reawakened on my spiritual journey in 2019. Although I've been very spiritual since I came out the womb, just went through a point where or a time in my life where I to protect myself, I blended in and I became like a chameleon and I created a false identity. And now I'm shaking that false identity off, but I'm trying to, cause this is the real me though. So that's why I said I need way more out of this so I can really help people and really add value onto others, man. So let me look at the 15 real quick, cause this looks okay. So we got a break of the candle on the 15. So this may be one of the moves now. This may be the a supply move, a counter trend move. Maybe I should see. I don't know. because I don't want to change my excuse me. I don't want to change my analysis, but so we did get a 15-minute break. Let's just see if this zone ends up holding. I'm gonna just delete that right there. Let's just see if this zone ends up holding though, y'all. For sure, for sure. So, but yeah, back to what I was saying. I just want more from this. Like I want my creative juices to or my creative thoughts and yeah, just my creative everything that's in my mind. I just want to manifest it into this lifetime, into this realm, and do great things. You know, I have a lot that be on my mind, and it's not just about materialistic shit. Like, of course, I got materialistic shit that I want to get, that I will get later on down the line in my life, but it's a deeper purpose within me. Like, it's a deeper meaning within me. So we are getting a touch right now, and we are in a counter trend move though, so we got to be careful. So I'm not gonna be so thirsty to get into this. I want to see if this zone is gonna hold. Let me see how long, how many minutes is in this 15. So we got about 8 minutes on this 15. Do look good for a counter trend move though. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, but hold on, 15. So we would have got a touch on this 5 minute. I mean on this 15 demand too. So let's just see, man. Let's just see what happens. Uh, this will be the break of the candle entry. Um, so yeah, I'm not rushing to get into this though. I know I for damn sure I am not gonna rush to get into this. This 15-minute candle is gonna have to close. I'm gonna have to see where it closes at. There's a lot of things that I gotta see with this trade so far before anything is to happen. Um, Matter of fact, because my entry would not even be right there. I would like my entry to be somewhere in this level. I feel like that's too high of an entry, so I would like my entry to be like right here. But I need to see more confirmations actually, because I do know we are. This could be a possible counter trend move that could be, this zone may not hold. Who knows? So I don't know. I gotta make sure everything lines up with this. But we also put this right here too, though. So that'll be like the break of the candle entry. Moment of truth, y'all. Am I finna get into this demand setup? That's what I want to know. So this is a fresh 15 candle. Let me see how that 15 closed firstly. I just want to do. Oh no, this isn't a fresh 15 candle. So let's see what this 15 candle. Let's see what these last 5 minutes end up doing. Damn, gang, it's so much pressure. It's a lot of pressure right now. Because I could definitely get into this setup right here at this moment. But this will be an aggressive entry. This 15-minute candle is not even done closing yet. We are coming off a 4 hour, 1 hour supply. Um, it's a lot that can go against this trade, against this demand setup. We have been bullish for a minute though. So like, what if this run is over with already? Hmm. Got decisions to make, y'all. I really got decisions to make. Got 50 minutes left in my trading session though, so maybe, this is where that critical thinking comes in. Should I missed two winning setups already. I don't want to first force a third. Should I just wait till Monday comes around and then start off fresh? Or should I take this third setup that I see that has presented itself? It is high probability, but we are kind of high on this demand setup. We are already kind of high. I would like to be a little lower, but it can still hit though. It can definitely still hit, but it's like, will it hit though? That's the real kicker. Like, will that bitch hit? So I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna check the 1 hour and shit real quick. I'm gonna check the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Mm. I think I'm gonna get in, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get in this shit. We'll see. I think I just gotta pull that trigger. It is a voice in the back of my head saying just wait till Monday though, but I think I'm gonna just have to pull this trigger, y'all. I'm not gonna cap to you. Real risk like 16. If it breaks this candle right here, let me get in. I believe this bitch could still win though, bro. I'm not gonna cap. It gotta break this other candle though. Order filled. Okay, so we in, y'all. I'm finna get out of this. God goodness, bro. Order filled. Don't tell me it's finna flip into profit. I'm finna get back in, bro. Fuck it. Order filled. I mean, I should have stayed in. Shit, if that's the case. Just looking for a win, bro. 44 pips. So yeah, I got back in, or I got in this trade. This is risky though. I ain't gonna count for. I feel like this is risky, man. Shit could definitely go either way. But I had to pull the trigger though. I had to pull the trigger. Had to. I just took a loss too, a small little loss. I ended up getting out of it. So I took like I don't know, probably like a $400 loss already. Yeah, like a $400 $500 loss already getting into this. Because it started tanking down a little, light, and I got out. This shit is risky, gang. So I'm down 180 right now, down 200. And it's my first time trading on this platform, so this shit's confusing me. I probably shouldn't have got into this. I'm probably finna get out. Yeah, I'm probably finna get out. Trying to see, should I get out of this? I think I'm finna just hold though, bro. Yeah, I think I'm finna just have to hold. Fuck it. Fuck it, man. I'm finna just have to hold, gang. I can't. I gotta hold, bro. I gotta play my cards, bro. I gotta play my hand. I gotta play the hand I was dealt. So I'm just finna hold. If it get me out because we lost 1,000 a day, it get me out because it will do that. I am trading simulated money right now, but I need this win. I actually need this win. Took about a $400, $500 loss on it already. So, that's crazy in itself. Um, this is what I am gonna do though. Finna see what a 3-1 is at, or at least a 2-1. I feel like I need those profits back too. Well, I don't want to get greedy. I'm gonna just go for a 1-1 because I'm already down. I'm already down for the day. I'm down something crazy too. Already down on the account. This is nerve wracking. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is definitely nerve wracking. Thinking about the trades that I could have got into earlier. They really had no drawdown. So yeah, this is nerve wracking, y'all. This is very nerve wracking, but this what comes with trading, so it's okay at the same time. But let me just breathe for a little minute. This is high probability demand, so let me be cool. I put in a lot of work. I put in a lot of studying, a lot of back testing that went into this. So this is just a regular setup. Whether win or lose, it's just a regular setup. Anything can happen. So let's just see what happens. You know, just looking forward to get back into this area, y'all. That's all we looking for. Order filled. It's playing like a motherfucker in this area. It's like, do it want to drop? Shit. Order filled. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm steady getting in and getting out. I could have been up profit now. Like, I really shouldn't have even just touched the trade right there, bro. I'm tripping, bro. I probably could be up like 300 right now if I didn't just touch that trade. Like, oh my goodness. I mean, we in profit right now, so I'm trying to, let me be cool actually. Like, This shit is wild. I don't like prop trading, bro. I need to trade my own money. There's too many rules in this shit. Too much like attention to detail. I mean, it's nothing wrong with that though. It's nothing wrong with that. At this point, it got to be something that I'm doing wrong. If I'm feeling this eager and this like jittery and like I don't want to say scared, but like damn, I'm like actually like right here kind of terrified. I should not be like I ain't gonna say terrified, but like too I don't know what's the word I'm looking for. Like too like cautious, I guess. Like you feel me? Like too cautious in this shit, and I don't like that. Like I don't like being too cautious. I just like trading and living with the shit. Like whatever happens, happens. Like I like doing it fearlessly. Like I feel like I got too much fear getting into some of these trades or trading with the prop firms and shit like that. And I mean, we in profit right now though. I could have been up probably like 600 if I didn't touch the fucking trade. It's okay though. We are in profit. Once it hit this TP and shit, we gonna get out. Let's see how close it is. But I think I want to go for a 2-to-1. I'm not gonna lie to you. Or maybe I can get out right here. I don't know, but I think I really want to go for a 2-to-1. At least a 2-to-1. I'm finna check the 1 hour and shit first. Let me check this 1 hour. 1 hour is rejecting right now. The 4 hour look like. Excuse me. Maybe I should be cautious though, bro. We are at a 4 hour supply, a 1 hour supply. Maybe I should just go for a 1-to-1, be cautious. It was just right at my TP. I'll tell you what though, if it does end up getting back to like break even where this horizontal line is at, I'm getting out and then we just gonna end our day right here. Emotions are everywhere right now. I feel butterflies in my stomach. I actually really don't like this feeling a little, but it's okay though. It comes with it. I'd be more cooler and calmer when I'm trading my live, when I'm trading just a personal account. Like I'd be cool, bro. So I know it's just my money and shit. Like, but this, I don't know, gang. This shit is a little different trading like prop money and but in a simulated environment and knowing you can make a lot of money too, but like you only got a certain threshold. It's a look. It's a small amount of error, a small margin of error. You feel me? I only got $2,000 to. This is not even to play with. I only got $2,000 that I could be, and we already down like 600, I believe, like right now. So I'm trying to get this bitch back to at least. I don't know what I want to get back in profit. Shit. But I don't want to be greedy either, though. Like, and then I'm not even able to trade this shit how I really want to trade it. Like, cause I like trading. I like doing two positions, which I got two contracts on here, but I like one position to go for a 3-to-1, while the other goes for that 1-to-1. And I'm not even able to trade it like that on here for some reason. Don't know how to for real, for real. Spitting this shit. But let me check this 15 one more time, gang. Keep checking this 15. Are we finna get a? We already got a break of the candle. I want to see if will we get a break right here. Will this 15 break right here and hold above this? If it holds above it, I'm confident in holding. Just gonna put it like that. If it holds above it, I am confident in holding. Has to hold above it though. It has to. So let's just see, y'all. These next candles hold up. This what happens though when you let two setups pass you by and you anxious as fuck and you want to get in. It's another setup that presents itself. This what happens. Like I got scared. I closed up in here when it was down. I shouldn't have did that, so I went down a little more. Oh my goodness. Um, but this what comes with it, bro. I do love this shit though, regardless, like good or bad. I love this shit. So I'm probably just gonna be content with the profits that I make off this 101. I feel like it's playing too much in this area right now. I don't like that. Do we have any news, gang? Thought I seen some news at 10. Okay. Nah, it's the 5th. Right, we got news at 10. Yeah, I'm finna be ready to get out of this. I ain't gonna cap to you. Definitely gonna get out of this before news. I'm glad I just checked that and seen that. The news could probably give me what I'm looking for, which is this 2-1. But I don't want to be greedy. I'm not even able to put my stops at break even, so I had to get out at break even myself. I don't really like that because news could do anything quick as fuck, and gotta be quick on your toes. All right, let's see what these last 5 minutes do, bro. This bitch starting to reject a little. Look like. See if these last 4 minutes could at least get up back to this TP that I had, because it never even hit TP fully. It just started wicking away from it a little, but it can get up there though. I think it will get up there. So let's just see. Let's just see. Yeah, this what always tends to happen right before news is finna come. Right before a news event is to happen. Like it like to play at TP areas, like to play at stop loss areas, and then out of nowhere, a lot of momentum comes out of nowhere. So we are at TP right now. I'm up 600. Maybe I should get out. I kind of want to hold for a 2-1. I want to see. I do want to see what these last 2 minutes do. That's what I want to see firstly. What these last 2 minutes do. I'm just following price action. If this if this candle right here can close above this last red candle, which is right here, if it can close above that, I would like to hold to a 2-1. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I am not gonna lie to y'all. I'm following price action, bro. That's all I'm doing. So I'm confident. I'm confident. I don't want to get greedy though. So I am up around like $600 on this right now. Don't want to get greedy though, but Man, I feel like I'm playing catch up or something. Just want to see what this last minute does. I want to see, like, if we don't close above that last red candle, I'm just gonna close. I'm not even gonna play. But if we can get a nice close, look at that. Come on, just get to 2 to 1. Just get to that 2 to 1. Get to that 2 to 1, bro. Go ahead, get to that 2 to 1. Just want to see what this last minute does. I hope I'm not getting greedy. Am I getting greedy? Last 30 seconds. Let's see what these last 30 seconds do. Let's see if it start push up, push back up, push back up, push back up. Come on, you know you want to push back up, push back up, push up a little more, push up a little more, push up a little more. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm finna just get out. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm finna just get out though. Fuck it. Let's just get out. Order filled. I don't even want to have. I don't even want to be. I don't even want my emotions played like that with that. Like, I don't even want my emotions played with like that, bro. So I just decided to get out. Um, that was just a lot, gang. Like, my energy is everywhere, bro. I gotta take a nap after this. Whew. I can breathe though. Just made some money. Just made like $800, so I'm back. Let's just check. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, y'all! Y'all just. I don't think y'all understand what this shit does to people. That's why I had to just get out. And I do feel like news is gonna hit. I feel like news is gonna get this to the 2 to 1, but I'm okay. I'm content with the profits that I got. Let me go to TradeOvate. Y'all see that? So I don't know. Damn. So we only made $251 today. Today, just because we got out of that trade. I don't think I got it on camera, but we'll see. I don't know. So we made 251 a day, but our equity is back around like that zero range. So we just gonna get this. We gonna work getting this account back up slowly but surely. You know. So let me just delete that. I don't know if I had to grade my performance today. If I had to grade my performance today, I give myself a C. I give myself a C. I don't know, like, why would I give myself a C though? I give myself a C because I don't like how my emotions was today. I feel like I was like kind of everywhere when I was just in that trade, kind of like too emotional managing it. Um, if I believed in my setup, which I did, I actually did believe in my setup, but the trading prop money, trading like this prop firm account shit made me get out of my trade like at this candle. Like when it started doing this, when it started coming down after I got in, I got out around and it was like down like 400 some dollars. And I was like, if I would have just stuck it out the right way, you feel me? Because I believed in the setup. So if I would have just stuck it out to if you know, I would have made way more than $251 today. I probably would have made about $600 to $700. Who knows? Glad I did get out of this. Is doing this and that right now, but So that's another emotion. But I don't know, y'all. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna give myself a C grade, maybe even a C minus. I did everything good today, bro. As in when it comes to waiting for a nice setup to present itself. I waited for two nice setups. I waited for three nice setups to present itself. So I did good and things like that. I could have had an early day. I could have been doing my day very early in the day if I had gotten to this little support setup that was up here that I'm circling right now with the cursor. And it had no drawdown. So that would have been like a non-emotional ass trade that I would have gotten to. That shit would have been cool. Crystal clear. Then it was another setup that I had an opportunity to get into, like which was right here. It was a support setup. I could have gotten into it right here, so I would have entered on this candle right there. But again, I was too like wishy washy. I didn't know if I wanted to execute, and this one would have had no drawdown, so it would have been a non-emotional ass trade. This one that I got into, this demand setup that I ended up getting to, so all that happened was it came and touched this demand zone. Can I draw it out on him? I don't really like this. Anyways, y'all see it though. I can't really. Hold on. Let me delete this bitch. I do not like that right there. They stay steady doing that sales stop shit. So I ended up getting into a demand zone right here when it came back down and off this support setup, and I just followed market structure. So the market structure was bullish. It never made this support setup invalid ever. You see, it started wicking out of the zone, and that's another reason why I shouldn't have closed for real. All these wicks are outside of the zone. That's high probability. That's another confluence when it comes to trading supply and demand. If your wicks, if it's no closes in the zone and it's wicking out of the zone, it's indicating that it doesn't want to go there. So that's another confluence that I should have had. But it'd be different when it's in real time. But I understand that if this was my live account, I wouldn't have been that emotional. I wouldn't have been that like that so ready to get out. But I'm trying to preserve this capital that I'm trading on with this funded account because I'm trying to make some real money so I can dump into my real live account. I'm trying to really make some money, so I really got to lock back in, bro. I haven't been as focused. I see. I need to get more focused. I need to get more disciplined. I need to like I need to do a number of things. I'm not gonna lie. And I need to still be building up my live account on the side because anything can happen with this shit, bro. Um, I am glad that we won today. We ended up winning, but I don't know to get that win. It took a lot to get that win today, and I don't think I like that. I don't think I like all the things that it took to get the win today. And even that we only made like $200 something. That ain't shit. But we made some money, so it's okay. We didn't lose any money. That's okay. So let me actually be grateful about what I got going on. Um, I'm just waiting for these great trades to come. Trading this Express funded account. I'm waiting and I'm being patient for them great winning setups to come. And them setups I'm talking about, I'll make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in a day. I'm talking about those type of setups. I'm waiting for those type of setups to come, and they will come, and I will execute them. I will make a lot of money. But today was just like a roller coaster. It was a roller coaster. We did good. managing my trade. I know I could have managed a little bit better, but at the same time, I feel like I kind of managed it okay. It's just getting out of that trade earlier than what I thought I should have. I mean, I thought I should have got out. I definitely should have, because I could have lost way more if it started like tanking right here. I could have lost $1,000 in a day. So that would have been like I would have only had like $1,000 left to play with in this funded account shit. And this when I say play with, I do not mean play with and just be irrational with the shit that I'm doing. No, I mean like $1,000 left to just trade with, and that's a hole. You digging yourself a hole doing that shit with these prop firms. So I'm glad we won today, bro. Even if it was a $200 something, it's okay. Better setups will come, and more profits will come. So we will be ready. Um, we got news in 5 minutes. So I honestly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait to see what news does. So whether that tanks to my break even or if news actually ends up hitting, let's just wait to see what news does. Um, I am proud of myself though. Like I said earlier, I'm proud of myself because this shit takes a lot of guts and courage, and ain't nobody holding my hand doing this, bro. Like I don't have nobody telling me like, yeah, take this setup, or I'm not in any discords. Like I do this shit by my lonely every day, bro. I wake up, you feel me? I taught myself how to trade off YouTube. I got into a discords here and there, which was Dojo Exchange Discord. I got into his shit, and I was in his shit for a month or two. Um, and ever since then, I've been on my own. I've been on my lonely because I know how to trade, and I don't need to be catching those signals because that'll stunt my growth, you know. So you feel me? I'm going through my trial and error stages right now, although it's gonna be a lot of less errors. You know, I'm going to I'm going through like just the ups and downs of being a profitable, successful trader. You know, because I know this will lead me to having my own community in Discord. I know this will lead to like me being like a influencer in this trading space. And I'm taking it one day at a time. I'm not really rushing. I'm not rushing nothing. But I'm really I'm just getting results. That's all I'm doing. I'm going through my results phase. I'm getting real results. So I haven't been on social media. I've been in hibernation mode for real, for real. I haven't been on no social media, none whatsoever. I'm not looking at other traders. I'm not looking at what they're doing because it clouds your judgment, and then it makes you feel like, damn, I'm not doing enough. I'm not doing that, bro, because what I'm doing is what I'm doing. I know I'm going at my own pace. I know it's a lot of traders in this space that's very successful already. That's making hundreds of millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands. I know it's a lot of traders that's making a lot of money, and you feel me, whether they're in their first year, third year, fifth year, or seventh. That's why I'm off social media because I'm in my first year. I'm like literally a year and like 2 months in when it comes to trading. So this is a pivotal time in my life where I need to just be focused on me and my craft. Like I can't be focused on other motherfuckers. I can't be looking at what other motherfuckers is doing, the successes that they are doing. I don't want it to cloud my judgment. I don't want it to make me second guess myself. I need to just be in solitude, and I need to just be trading by myself day in, day out. And honestly, I'm actually looking to fine tune my trading, but I don't want to change anything. The shit that I'm doing has been working, so that's what I'm gonna keep doing to at least this year end out. But going into next year, I'm doubling down. I'm finna lock in even more. I'm finna fine tune my trading with the supply and demand shit that I learned from Doyle. I'm gonna actually lock in with Q shit. I'm gonna lock in with Q Bank shit. I'm gonna see how he see the market, see if I can implement something from his trading into what I know already with trading, and then add my own little own and gel my own little real trading style into it because I want bigger profits, bro. Like I want and I will get bigger profits. I can make some money scalping and shit, but it takes a little longer. It takes a little longer, which is fine. But I'm not trying to rush my journey or my process. I'm really trying to like fine tune it. I'm trying to build my own identity. I just don't want to bank off, you feel me, or piggyback off. I want to piggyback off of Doyu's uh his setup and how he trade, how he see the markets. I want to piggyback off it, which is And how he sees the market is this, bro. Like it's all of this right here. All of this. You see the demand zone. Boom, we had some blasting momentum come out of the zone. It came back, it touched, and boom. So it's like a sort of a break and retest, break and retest, although it's not. It's a demand zone. It's a high probability demand zone. You know, so I know how to trade high probability. I know how to trade supply and demand. I know how to trade support and resistance. That's really all I need to know to make money. Supply and demand and support and resistance is kind of like the same, but it's not really. You feel me? I feel like supply and demand is just way more precise and way more like just a little bit better, than support and resistance. Support and resistance is like it's still good though. You can make money with it. Don't get me wrong, but I know I'm talking a lot too. But again, these videos are just for myself, so I can go back and watch these videos and see how I was feeling about what was going on. And then we got news coming in 1 minute too. So I do these videos just for myself, bro. So and whoever else is watching, hopefully you can relate to what I'm saying. And if you made it this far, you actually gotta relate to what I'm saying, or you interested in my journey in some way, shape, or form. So you feel me? But yeah, these videos are definitely just for myself. That's why they're so long. But as the years go on, um, I, my videos will be shorter because I'm gonna be making way more money in less time. So my videos will be like 10 to 12 minutes, that little timely range. And I'm still gonna be doing the daily shit that I'm doing. Showing my profits daily. I'm gonna be showing my results on Instagram daily, like wins and losses. So I'm gonna be doing the same things. It's just the content is gonna be better. And everything is gonna be better. Like everything is gonna be more, it's gonna be more personality in it. Um and then I don't know. Everything's just gonna be better though. So these videos in my beginning stages is literally for like this my first 1 to 3 years of trading is going, or my first 1 to 2 years of trading is gonna be just like this. Me showing like just me being me and just talking to myself honestly, so I can look back on it and understand the things that I was going through in real time, understand why I did certain things in real time, because this is what helped me get back to being a disciplined trader, being back consistent, and being back to able to get into nice winning setups by just trading once a day, following all my rules. Like this holds me accountable. Why? Is because I'm putting it out to the public. So the public gonna see too. Like, if you doing bullshit, nigga, like everybody like we don't want motherfuckers criticizing us, be like, nah, nigga, this nigga can't trade, blah blah that, or well, you don't know what the fuck you doing. We don't, so you feel me, you gonna do things the right way because you putting it out to the public. So that's why this is another reason that I started making my videos, man. I started making these videos earlier than what I thought I was, bro. But I did just look at my goal list and it said make 3 YouTube videos this year. And nigga, I think I'm at like 32 or 33 videos that I made this year. Matter of fact, let's go check my analytics though. Let's just do that real quick, cause I'm proud of myself, gang. I ain't even gonna cap to you. Like I'm proud of myself, but like look at me, gang. I got how many videos I got? I got 31 videos up. I got 35 subscribers. I got 954 views, which is great. I really thank y'all for watching and viewing my content. It really means a lot, bro. For real, for real. Um, and I got some old shit. I'm showing a lot of private shit. Hold on, hold on. I'm showing too much shit. Hold on. My community, y'all been fucking with me, gang. Like y'all been fucking with me, and I fuck with that. Like y'all see, man. Look at this post that I made on Facebook. Solo dolo. No longer associated with a group of people that's not like-minded. Definitely a precious time that I hold dear to my heart pertaining to growing up in Maywood and hanging around who I was around. Definitely learned a lot, but in the same breath, it's a lot of negative habits slash vices that I picked up along the way that I have to unlearn. To the motherfuckers I was around these past couple of years, I'm choosing to separate myself. It's not that I hate y'all. I actually love the fuck out of y'all, because I do. I actually love the fuck out of y'all, but I've come to a point where I noticed I have been altering my growth and what God has in store for me because my love is so strong. Not saying I'm better than y'all, because by any means necessary, I'm not. We all have the power of God within, which we do. We all have the power of God within. We are all gods and goddesses, a reflection of that. So that's why I'm choosing to use my power to serve myself so I can in fact serve others later on down the line in my life. Having said all of that, I do not, I repeat, I do not, I repeat, I don't hate anyone. There is not an ounce of hate in my heart, but I am allowed to dislike the way of thinking and love from afar. Peace and love. And y'all been fucking with that. Like that bitch got 5 likes. Of course, I liked it myself because I support myself. But y'all been fucking with my channel, folks, and it does mean a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. So like let's look at my watch time and shit too. Like, excuse me. Like y'all been actually watching my videos, bro. Like I know they long as hell, but y'all been watching them. I'm nowhere near the 4,000 public views, watch hours yet, but I will get there. And even like the 1,000 subscribers, I will get there. So I'm just showing personal things because I'm just, I just gotta look at my growth so I can come back to this stuff and understand that it's a lot that I put into this. It's a lot that I put into this craft. And yeah, I'm finna keep talking, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, y'all can get off this video if y'all want to. Go ahead. 'Cause I'm finna talk my ass off right now. Y'all see if we would have still been in this trade that this bitch would have ended up coming back to break even. So we would have got out of this. So y'all see what news did. So it's good that we got out when we got out. Now it's probably finna go back up, but I'm not getting back in. But yeah though, man, like, cause I was just looking at my goals and stuff. I was just looking at my yearly goals. Maybe I can like find it real quick. Let me see if I can find them real quick, y'all, so I can share it with myself. And then I know, yeah, it's right here. If y'all want to pause and look at what I said, go ahead. But hold on. Let me see. I gotta see where it's at. Cause these are 2024 goals. Um, it's a post YouTube content about your journey, which I've been doing. Um, it says, I know it's something else that says something. It say don't sabotage yourself, which I've been doing. Although throughout the year I was sabotaging myself a little early in the year. Um, it says semen retention, which I have been trying to do. I'm in the process. It says 90 days. I'm in the process of actually trying to, do that as well. But it says love yourself to the fullest, which I've been doing. These are just a few goals. Where is the maybe that's in a whole nother notebook because I be having a lot. I got like a lot of notes right here, y'all. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Like I got so many notes right here, bro. Damn, I gotta finish taking these notes too. Maybe it's in another notebook because I seen somewhere it said. I'm sorry. I seen somewhere in one of these notebooks it said note. This is Forex notes. In one of my notebooks, in one of my notes, it said post 3 YouTube videos in 2024 this year. Let me see. Is it any of this? Nope. It's here somewhere. I gotta find it. I'm not gonna stop till I find it, bro. And I got like 10 more minutes on this video, so that's when I end the video and shit like that. Um, I don't know. Maybe matter of fact, it's maybe in my notepads because I got little notepads too. I got some of everything. If y'all can see my desk and shit, maybe I should show y'all. Right? Look, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I got some of everything, gang. Like they go the notes, the books. I got notes on top of notes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Yeah, when I get a better trading space, when I get a better desk, all that, a better like just background. I want some stuff in my background that if I had the money, it'd already be there. But it comes with it. I'll get that one day. I'm not tripping. Let me see though. Maybe it's in these notebooks, these notepads. They gotta be. It has to be actually. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. All I know is though, I definitely had some notes, some 2024 goals that said, that literally said post three YouTube videos today or this year. Maybe I'm reading over it. Hmm. That's very intriguing. But it does. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's a notebook that I'm missing. But I definitely seen because I just reread it a couple, maybe like a week or two ago, that I had post three YouTube videos in my 2024 goals, and I'm well over that. So I'm happy. I'm proud about myself for doing things like that. It's like, man, I've been working hard, bro. So that's why when I go through certain things and I catch myself really emotional, I gotta remember where I came from the start of this year. Like, so I've been doing good. I've been working hard, bro. Although I know I could work way harder. I'm just doing my own. I'm going at my own pace because I don't like feeling overwhelmed. I don't like so many things because my mind be on all type of things. I don't like my mind cluttered with a lot of thoughts. And I'm trying to stay, not even trying. I'm staying in the present right now. I'm staying in present day because that's when I do my best work. When you stay in the present, that's when you are able to take strides that to things that lead into whatever you want to do in your future life. And I don't live in the past anymore. Like, I'm just staying in the present. Like, so when I do catch myself emotional about certain things, that's why I'm like, hold on, like, nigga, like, calm down, bro. Like, you him, like, you really been working hard. You really been doing, like, look where you just came from. You feel me? So I be having to take reflection moments, and I'm gonna have more content on that type of stuff too. Maybe by my birthday, or yeah, maybe by my birthday, I'm gonna do like a reflection video, and then by the end of the year, maybe like around December, leading into 2024. I mean 2025, New Year's. I'm gonna do an end of the year 2024 year reflection. End of the year end of the year reflection. End of year reflection 2024. And I'm just gonna talk about everything that I went through this year, and maybe even some stuff that happened prior. But I don't know. I don't know because maybe if I'm talking about some stuff that happened prior, I maybe just do that around my birthday, around like in November, you know. So maybe I'll just do it around that time actually. And yeah, man, like I'm proud of myself. So I definitely got to give myself a pat on the back, give myself a big hug, give myself a big hug and shit, you know, because I am proud of myself. I have come a long way this year. I started off good, then it got rough. I went through a rough patch, and now I'm back on that. I'm back in that mode. Although I know I can take this shit up a notch, so I need to get to a point where where I took this shit up a notch. And looking at back at some of my 2024 goals, it says one of them, it says get funded live 3 accounts. I'm already funded. Well, I'm not really funded live. I have an express funded account. It's not really a live account yet, but it will be. It says get funded live 3 accounts. So actually, I'm finna have to really super lock back in because I need three more. I don't know if I want to make them 50K accounts or 100. I think I'm gonna do 100K accounts actually. I need three more of those. I need two more of those now. I need to get to. I need to pass two more um top step challenges. I need to. So that's what I'm gonna do. Before this year is up, I need to do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that way, coming into 2025, I have a lot. I have multiple funded accounts stacked up on each other, and I need to plan it out a little more. I need to I need to create a plan. So I'm going with the flow, because that's the type of nigga I am. I'm just a go with the flow ass person. Go with the. And maybe I do need to start plan. I plan a decent amount, but I plan in my head a certain way, and that's why me looking back at these 2024 notes and 2024 goals actually is rerouting my mind to like, okay, cool, you actually had a sight for yourself this year, so let me get back to that too. And it's gonna take some money, but that's okay, man. We be hustling, so it's okay. And we don't be crazily hustling, because we can really hustle, but we just been hustling and like teaching ourselves skill sets and stuff like that. So I'm just going at my own pace. It is a lot of things that I want to do. I want to have my own Discord community, which I will have. I want to, but like when I had that Discord community, I don't want it to just be one track. I don't want it to be just with trading. I want it to be with trading, stock options, real estate investing, even like maybe even like crypto investing, stuff like that. What else? Like what else? I know it's some other things that like YouTube. Like I want to like teach motherfuckers how to scale their YouTube business up. So I'm doing this shit myself. I want to teach people how to monetize their account, get their account monetized. I want to teach people how to promote themselves with just social media platforms and everything like that. And yeah. So now this is looking okay. Maybe if I would have gotten into this again, but like we're disciplined though, so we ain't even got to think about we won for the day. One trade a day. One trade a day. One trading setup a day, because that's over trading. So that would have been over trading. Because imagine if it didn't do what it's doing right now, we would have lost. Over trading. So yeah, man, I'm definitely finna get ready to end this video. I know I've been rambling. I know this video finna be long as fuck. I know. Well, I ain't even gonna say I know a lot of people ain't gonna watch it, because a lot of people will end up watching this. I know it's gonna be people 2 years from later, 2 years from now, gonna be like trying to look at some of my old content, because they gonna see like how I made it, and like they're gonna be seeing like some of the results that I'm showing, like whether it's materialistic shit or big profits that I didn't earn in a day from trading. And I know I'm just gonna be telling people, shit, just look at where I started, bro. Like you can go, like I have a playlist full of content of where I started. Just go view it, go watch it, and they gonna see me rambling, see me, just me at the bottom, getting myself out of that rock bottom, getting myself out of that pit, getting myself out of, you feel me, that bottomless pit. So I'm nowhere near that though. Like man, last year was crazy, gang. We was at rock bottom for sure, for sure. We're nowhere near that. We got a job now. We got some type of income coming in. We are trading. We are funded a little. Not totally live funded. I can't just take out the money. I can't get all the money that I would like to get out of it yet. Once this shit does get back in profit, but we gonna get the game. We are gonna get that. We gonna get live funded accounts and everything. I'm not even tripping on that. Like we are going to get there. And then with all the money that we get from these live funded accounts, we putting that shit straight into our Tradeovate account, gang. We are putting that money straight into our Tradeovate account. And we not touching that shit until it hits a certain number. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the number that I'm trying to hit, because I'm gonna keep that to myself. I gotta, cause I be so transparent on this shit. I do gotta understand that I need to keep some of this shit, most of this shit to myself though. Still, before I need to just act on it and do it before Yeah, so I need to just act on it and do it before I share it with the people or share it with the masses. I need to just lock in and do it first before I even bring it to anybody's attention for real. Because that's the type of person I used to be anyway. Like I wouldn't tell my plans or my goals and aspirations that I go out and set out to just do it. And then later on I come tell motherfuckers or show motherfuckers what I got going on or what I did type shit. So I'm finna get back to that. Um but yeah, part of the video, the last little part that I recorded ended up like messing up a little. So that made me feel a little funny. I was just talking about a whole lot of other stuff. So I see it's not meant to talk about that yet. We'll talk about that some other day when the time comes. Obviously, it's not now because the video just cut out. So yeah, I'm gonna just end this video right here for sure now. Because that's kind of irritating. I just was talking about so much and just a lot of value that I just had in that last little part of the video that ended up not downloading fully. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. But again, I do want to send thanks. I definitely want to say thanks. I'm very grateful to everybody who has subscribed to the channel, everybody who has been watching, everybody who has been commenting and liking. I definitely just want to send my thanks out. I want to let y'all know that I'm very appreciative. I am very grateful of all the energy y'all are sending my way. So yeah, just continue to grow with me. Before I end this video, I do want to say the little things are like a puzzle, y'all. So the little things are like a puzzle, and they all add up to the bigger picture for the collective. So I just really want to put that out there that any traumas, any childhood traumas, any small obstacles, or that's real big to you because it's your reality. Any obstacles you are facing, any negative emotions, or any um any negative feelings that you are facing, like you gotta get past it. You gotta confront it head on. You gotta like realize you gotta beat it. You gotta beat it because it's a little piece of the puzzle that adds to the bigger picture for the collective. So, and then once you beat it, you gotta share your experiences. You gotta share like the things you did to beat them obstacles or them childhood traumas or anything that's in your life and your reality that's kind of like holding you back and like making you your lowest self, like keeping you in your lowest self. Anything that's holding you back from that, you gotta beat it. You gotta go home head on. You gotta collide with it, and you gotta beat it for real. And once you beat it, you gotta let it be known. You gotta reiterate it to the collective, to the masses, and tell your story, because it can help somebody else that's growing up. It's gonna help the youth that's growing up. They watching us, bro. So we gotta do better as a people. We gotta do better as one. So yeah, the little pieces in your life is a small puzzle. The little obstacles that you are facing, they may be big to you because it's your reality, but in the whole grand scale of things, it's very much a small piece of the puzzle. So you gotta beat it, because if you don't beat it, it's gonna be like your piece of the puzzle gonna be like upside down or crooked, and it's not gonna fit into the picture. So with the whole grand scheme of the picture, the whole big picture, is gonna be messed up because you didn't fix your little piece of the puzzle. You didn't fit it into the picture the right way. So now the picture don't even look like how it's supposed to look because you didn't do your due diligence and I don't know what I'm trying to say. I know what I'm trying to say. I just don't know how to put it into words. So, but yeah, though, hopefully y'all understand what I'm trying to say. So like, fix your piece of the puzzle. The little things matter. The little things add up to the bigger picture, and everything that we are going through is meant to happen. It's meant to bring your greatest self out. So I'm only able to say this because I'm going through certain little things, and they may be big to me, but it's certain little things that I know it just adds up to a bigger picture. It's meant to help somebody in the process. So everything's a chain reaction. So we do have to understand that we have to just be better as human beings, bro. We have to. So with that being said, though, I'm gonna definitely end this video right here. It's your boy High Yourself Trades. I am out, and again, thank y'all. I really appreciate y'all for showing love and support. It means a lot. So if you a man and you made it this far, I'm gonna shake your hand. If you a woman and you made it this far, I'm gonna blow you a kiss. So yeah, y'all, it's your boy High Yourself Trades. I'm out. Damn, hold on. Let me hold on. Let me end it. Okay, so y'all, it's your boy High Yourself. Damn, hold on. I just want to end this shit decent. I want to end it like real decent on a good note. Okay, y'all, it's your boy Has. That shit too perky. That shit too like exciting, I guess. I want to be like a little mellow and calm. So yeah, y'all, it's your boy High Yourself Trades. I'm out. I definitely appreciate y'all. Oh my gosh. One more time. And I'm gonna keep this in there. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even gonna edit this out. I'm not even gonna edit this out so y'all can see how this shit be for real. But yeah, y'all, it's your boy High Yourself Trade. Damn. Hold on. Let me Yeah, y'all. It's your boy High So. What is this? Like, why I'm steady doing this? It's your boy High So Trades, and I'm out.